are moving. Those of you on the last few cars, wave goodbye to your depot masters, Bradley and Mia. They're waving to you from the center of the depot. Tell them we'll see you in a day or two, a week at the most. We've never gone longer than a week though. I'll just kidding folks, we're never going to see our depot masters again. Now we're here at Dollywood. We know to keep us from these places. It is our job to keep it that way. Baldwin Locomotive Works out of Edison, Pennsylvania. They built our narrow gauge Mikado style engine number 70. It weighs just over 230,000 pounds and is a Type 282 locomotive. That 282 system ensures got 2 wheels in front, 2 in the back, and 8 larger drive wheels in the middle. After his number 2 was built, she was shipped to Skagway, Alaska to work on the Whitehorse and Yukon Railroad. In 1941, Canadian attack on Pearl Harbor and U.S. involvement of World War II. After the attack, it was determined the military highway was needed to protect Alaska. In 1946, the U.S. Army overtook the Whitehorse and Yukon. They used this engine as a drive for Mikado and personnel to build the Alpine military highway. Behind this engine and others like her. Up to 34 trains a day ran up and down those tracks made the construction of the highway. And in 9 months of what seemed impossible became possible. The Alcan military highway was in fact completed on time. World War II. We here at Dollywood are real proud of our veterans of all ranks of the military. Our hearts go to those in active duty today. Anyway, please, that's on board the train today. Let's have you race so we can recognize you. Let's give a round of applause for these brave ladies and gentlemen. We need to your service. Coming up on your right-hand side this year, Dollywood, the Athletic Expedition. It'll be ready later this year, and it's going to be the world's first ever hybrid whitewater up indoor roller coaster. It'll be a family-friendly ride again coming to you later this year. Now, in 1968, engine number 70 was retired. She sat on side those tracks for 14 long years until 1977. She was then sold to East Tennessee to called known as Silver Dollar City. She has stayed throughout the Park's evolution from Silver Dollar City and has effect became known as Cinderella. Hey, look up to the cabin and wave to your engineer, Brad. He's leading our way up the Iron Mountain, but wave at a folks Brad loves until you wave that. Now I'm going to play a little bit of train music as we listen to Cinderella pull us up the mountain. United States. Even in the air, you can hear the songs of over 200 different diverse and fight. This Smokies is a never-ending song. It changes with each passing season in each pair of years. Smoky Mountains was established in 1934 by President Franklin D. Roosevelt. It's become the most visited national park in America. As we round the upper loop, if you look off to the left-hand side, you're going to see portions of those Great Smoky Mountains. You'll be able to see why we call them the place of blue smoke. Here at Dollywood, we love to show off our engines as much as we possibly can. What do you say, folks? Would you like to hear Engineer Brad play on that Baldwin Locomotive Whistle? Yeah! So we should hear tune on that whistle. On the count of 3, let's tell our engineer to blow that whistle good loud. 1, 2, 3, blow the whistle. You're going to see a portion of those Great Smoky Mountains. Now don't worry folks, it is all downhill from here back to the town of Dollywood. We do have the dust scrapes many can buy. Will be installed next Tuesday. Now coming up on your left-hand side, you're going to be able to see a big red cabin on the top of the hill. A big red cabin on the top of the hill. Can anyone take a guess as to who lives up there today? No, it's not Dolly. It's a rental cabin. We don't know who lives up there. I'm going to play a bit more train music. Feel free to clap along and sing along, but please do not get up and dance. fireman Jacob. He's the one who got you all up here today. Without our firemen, these trains would move absolutely nowhere. On a daily basis, Cinderella drinks over 5,000 gallons of water. On average, she'll pull about 4,000 to 5,000 people with a dozen every day. We here at Dollywood are real pilots for engines and the guys and gals that help operate them. We hope you enjoy flying them just as much as we do.
Almost heaven, West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountains, Shenandoah River. Life is old there, older than the trees, younger than the mountains, growing like a tree. Country road, take me home to the place I belong.
Y'all remember that big howdy we did on the way out? Let's do that one more time, shall we? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Howdy! Let's see if we can do the loudest train of the evening on 3. 1, 2, 3. Howdy! up to the smokestack. On behalf of myself, I'm Conductor Haley on back car 7. I've got my assistant Conductor Lee on the back of car 3. I'd like to thank you for riding the Dollywood Express, and hope to see you all again real soon.
Once again, folks, we would like you to know when it is safe to exit. Thank you, and enjoy yourself here at Dollywood.
Now it's going to be the time to start coloring all those parts and ornaments like shopping bags, purses, camels, toys, children, and husbands. And ladies, please do not forget your gifts. We had to take the key to walking down the other day. And please don't forget your husbands either. Now even after we come to the stop, please remember to remain seated. I will let you know when it's safe to exit. But until I tell you it's safe to exit, please stay seated. If you'll do me a favor, look up to the silver number at the front of your cabin. Silver number at the front of your cabin. Memorize it for me. I'll be waiting in just a few moments. But until then, please stay seated. You don't know what you're going to do with that number yet. I'll be waiting for you to master coming on through the depot. Bradley in the airwaves, that's your far right hand side. Now look, I got a pumpkin on the plate. It's called repeat after me. Ready? Please. Oh, y'all can better than that. Please. Remain. Seated. Please stay seated. Folks, please stay seated. I'll let you know when you can safely exit. Alrighty.